This is Lance at the My Four Sons warehouse, and for the next few minutes we're going to show you the two-layer cart and how to assemble it. First of all, we're going to show you the parts that come with the kit. You're going to get 4 posts. Each post has guide holes for the lock screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the transaxle, which we'll show you how to assemble that later in the video. Each axle has a hole for the spring clip. To hold the wheels in place, we've got washers and spring locks. Then we've got some 10-inch wheels, polyurethane double axles, 12mm diameter. The owner's manual, and the only trick about the owner's manual is we do not show in the manual how to screw the stainless steel, the 12 stainless steel lock screws in place, and we'll show you that in this video. Also comes with some 4-inch casters, swivel casters, 2 ambidextrous handles, and we're going to show you the 2 shelves. This shows the bottom shelf, and each bottom shelf has 2 eyelets that have been screwed in, 12mm eyelets, and they simply provide the holes for the axle to slide through. Let me show you that later. And now the top, just so you can see the difference, the top has the legs to connect to the beams, but on the top side it's got the ports for the handles. Okay, the handles assembled just by inserting them in the holes. They're ambidextrous, so either side, there you can put them on either side, and that's a tight fit. So you just want to go ahead and line them up, and then what you can do is just take a little cloth with a hammer. Okay, to anchor the handles in place, we basically just want to put a screw into each corner. Just do that on all 4 sides. Okay, now we put the posts on, and it isn't ambidextrous, so you got to make sure you get the correct side lined up with the slot. And that pops down like that. Make sure it's flush with the base. Okay, to lock everything in place, you just take these stainless screws, drive them into the pilot holes, put your drill on torque limit, and that's on. Of course, you'll do 2 per column, so that's a total of 8. This keeps the everything together. Okay, to get the wheels in, you're going to have 2 of these wheels. Just pop them in the hole. It's got a little lock ring there. It takes a little bit of hammering. And if you don't have a rubber hammer, you just get a cloth to absorb the shock. Once it's flush, you're done. The eye bolts are already going to be inserted, so to assemble the axle, you just line it up. And the alignment's a little bit, maybe a little bit, tiny bit off, so you got to maybe get persuasive with it. And try to get equal distance with the hammer. Okay, to put the 10-inch wheel on, you just slip the washer on. This is a tight fit. Slip the bearing over the axle. And then this is, you want to apply the snap ring like this. And once it's on, then you just roll it over. This is a 2-layer cart, fully assembled. And we'll pan around and show you what the M4 looks like. You can mount it on the 10-inch wheel side to handle most of the weight. And then to go over rough terrain, you can always lift these small wheels up.